It's like you get to do something you love. If I could be paid to do this, then that would be amazing.
Then I would have made it.
Then I would be living dreams.
Done.
And I felt like I could stare at the sun, bathe in the moonlight. Every race I had in one.
It's just basically music in unusual, intimate spaces like living rooms and backyards, giving you kind of a one-to-one experience with the musician, and giving them the opportunity to really perform to people who want to listen.
It's kind of seen as just this tourist area where there's not really any rich history or culture, or it's kind of the beach is the draw card to the Gold Coast. It's not really anything other than that, to be honest. So.
Well, I couldn't find, and I'm someone who's engaged in the arts, mini venues or really any venues that you could really go just to see an artist that you knew was going to be good. Like, you could basically just go to venues that were cafes or bars. So there was a lot of other sounds and other things going on. It wasn't just about the music.
I think in the last few years there's this different feel on the Gold Coast where people are like, we need more spaces for creatives, we need more support. There hasn't really been a huge community of artists, whatever kind of artists really. So I think the idea that there wasn't many opportunities but there were people out there who were looking for it, that's what I saw from the Gold Coast.
It's connecting people who have a common interest, whether it be a creative space like an art gallery that they may not have known about, connecting them to an artist, a musician that they may not have seen in that way. So it's a different way to experience live music and to connect directly to people in your community because they are local musicians.
It's our song, it's called Revive. Thank you all so much for sharing your amazing energy with us tonight. It's been really special for us, so cheers. Thank you.
Revive your life, breathe, open up your mind and see. Spread your roots, grow, open your hands, receive.
We're just excited to be able to bring people together in a way that's different to anything else they've experienced, or some people have, which is cool as well. We've had people that have come from like New York or Buenos Aires, obviously not come to us so far, but they've been to them in different places across the world.
Where have you been?
Sydney.
Rio. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Bombay.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Bombay, if you didn't hear that. Can you say it again?
Bombay.
Like, we might not be on the Gold Coast forever, so we'd love for people to be able to take it over if we are no longer here. So I just like it to keep going.
It's all over. Why are we still here? None the wiser. Still I learn to live.
I think I would really like to see some super emerging musicians have a Sofa gig and then get a good following or get inspired to make more new music. I think if I could see one of our artists that play have a really good result from it, that would be so amazing. Yeah. That's what I'm hoping for. It's like the slipperiest couch ever.
Oh yeah, there we go. You have to get to a point.
Thanks.